Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want free trial on Shopify, this free trial give you 14 days plus 90 days free for Shopify. For first 14 days you will not pay anything, and after this you will pay $1 for 90 days. So for every month pay $1. This is the best Shopify free trial, and to start your store on Shopify. So let's talk why Shopify is the best market you can do and start to make money. Now is opportunity because you will not pay anything nearly. So why Shopify is better than ever right now? If you don't have money, or you have a little money and a little experience in e-commerce in general, Shopify will give you this free trial plus $1 per month, so you can start learning everything in Shopify and start to make money. So this is the way that every big investor or big seller has do in his way to start learning with a cheap price, and then to make a lot of money. So you will find the link of this free trial in the description. So if you click the link you will get this page. So you want this, you want to make money, you want to be successful, and for $1 is a chance to be successful, great chance to be successful with a cheap price, cheap than burger sandwich. So what you will lose, you start something maybe be big in your life and change your life right now. So go ahead and try to do the best in your life, and try to not fear something you don't know. Try when exactly there is no risk. So there is no risk, there is big opportunity to hit successful and become one of the successful people. So I think it's the best idea to start right now and choose the best product ever on Shopify with the researches. So with successful research, with successful store theme, with successful idea about how to manage your store on Shopify, you will hit succeed in this. Thank you for watching. I hope this really benefit for you. You will find the link for like 100 days and 4 even nearly free on Shopify. So this is all for today. I hope this really make you today, even right now, happy because you start something big to see tomorrow bigger.